in inviting all parents, students, and also my learned colleagues to this fest through this virtual platform, which is specially designed to explore inner talents of our learners and also give a positive competition among all the students. It's my great pleasure in inviting all the parents, mainly the new parents who recently joined our school during this academic year. I didn't get an opportunity to meet them. So on this day, on this great morning, I would like to wish them and also welcome them to Sri Triveni School, Champapet campus, and witness this program throughout the day and give your suggestions at the end of event. Virtua Festa 2021 is a specially designed platform to give an opportunity to every student to give their best in the form in extracurricular areas. Mainly, most of the students are presenting their programs from like dance, music. I have seen some students performing on musical instruments and all that. Some students displaying their martial art skills. So like this, and a few students singing and all that. But most of the cases I have seen dances, beautiful dances. And now today also we are waiting for around 25 programs. All the programs are designed well, and the children, they have given their best. It happened to me. I got an opportunity to witness their performances during rehearsals also. So because of the competition and all that, children are trying to outdo the others. So in this respect, I would like to appeal to parents to please extend your support during a presentation. So most of the cases what we observe is there are a few problems at the time of presentation, and that is going to like hamper their performance because the performer feels inconvenient with respect to audio and video, adjustment of camera, and also playing the music properly and all that, and creating a better ambience. So these are the essentials for successful presentation of program. So I also congratulate all the participating students because they have been screened, their program has been screened, and they have been given an opportunity to present on this bigger platform where hundreds of viewers are there. So some of the students couldn't get a chance to give their presentation because their programs were not identified for the finals. So I would like to appeal to all students and their parents, take it positively, and try for another chance, and also encourage the participants. So once again, I would like to take this opportunity to inform all the parents that this is the first series of Virtua Festa, virtual competition, where children are giving their performances with respect to extracurricular areas. So similarly, a second series is going to be organized very soon in the areas of curricular and co-curricular activities. So we at Sri Triveni School strongly believe that all these activities are essential for making child all-rounder. That means to develop their personality in all areas. Just sticking to books and performing well in academics may not be sufficient. That may not make an integrated personality, which is essential for successful career. So that is our strong belief, and we go by that. So that is the reason why we occasionally give chance to children to show their talent in various areas, and also we train children in different areas. And even all our teachers, they are also trained and focused on all-round development of the child, not just limited to their curricular area. So this I would like to make it clear and also request parents to understand the importance of such activities. So
महासूर्यचन्द्रादिनेत्रं पवित्रं महागानतिमिरान्तकं सौरगात्रं महाकान्तिबीजं महादिव्यतेजं भवानी समेतं भजे मञ्जुनाथं। नमः शङ्कराय च महेश्वराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च भवहराय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भजे मञ्जुनाथं शिवं शिवम् अद्वैतभास्करम् अर्धनारीश्वरं त्रिदशङ्गयङ्गमं चतुर्दशसङ्गमं पञ्चभूतात्मकं चक्षुनाशकं सप्तस्वरेश्वरम् अष्टसिद्धीश्वरं नवरसमनोहरं दशदिशाविमलम् एकादशोज्ज्वलं मेघनादीश्वरं प्रस्तुतिवशङ्करं प्रणतजनकिङ्करं दुर्जनभयङ्करं सज्जनशुभङ्करं प्राणिभवतारकं प्रकृतिविजकारकं भुवनभव्यभवनायकं भाग्यात्मकं रक्ष ईशं सुरेशं ऋषेशं परेशं नजेशं गौरीशं गणेशं भूदेशं महामधुरपञ्चाक्षरी मन्त्रमात्रं महाहर्षवर्ष प्रवर्षं सुशीर्षं नमो हराय सत्वरहराय सत्वरहराय सरुद्राय सभद्राय च इन्द्राय च नित्याय च निर्दिष्टाय च महाप्राणदीपं शिवं शिवं भजे मञ्जुनाथं शिवं शिवं डं 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 कागिनादनवदाण्डवाडम्बरं रसिम्मितकलिम्मिदिम्मिदिम्मिदिम्मि सङ्गीतसाहित्यमकमलबम्बर ओंकार ह्रींकार श्रींकार ऐंकार मन्त्रगीताक्षरं मञ्जुनाथेश्वरं ऋग्देवमाद्यं यजुर्वेदवेद्यं सामप्रगीतं अथर्वप्रभर्वं पुराणेतिहासं प्रसिद्धं विशुद्धं प्रपञ्चानिके शुद्धमिरुद्धं विशिष्टं नकारं मकारं श्रीकारं वकारं यकारं निगाकार साकारकारं महाकालकालं महानीलकण्ठं महाशाट्वहासं महाशाटहासं जरा
मीठे मीठे पल Hello all, myself V. Ainika, studying in 6th standard in Sri Triveni School. Today, I will be presenting you a small conversation between pollution and future generation. Coughing, hatching, hatching, sneezing, itching, allergies, breathing problems. Hey, where all these diseases are coming from? Ha 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 ha! Coughing, sneezing, itching, allergies, and breathing problems. All I gives it to you now. Can you guess who I am? Fine. Let me tell you. I am pollution. I will be there in water, air, land and everywhere. And I'm going to birth over you. As you know one funny part, you humans gave birth to me. And now I'm going to end the mankind. Ha 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 ha. Stop pollution, stop. What are you thinking? That you are the most powerful? No, you are wrong. We, children like me and my best friends are the future generation, and we have taken a pledge to make our Mother Earth clean and green. And do you know how? By planting trees, by abolishing the use of plastic and not emitting any harmful gases or smoking. And I can proudly say that we can slowly erase you. So stay away pollution, stay away. Save environment, save lives. Thank you.
Hey, Invina, what are you murmuring? I am chanting Hanuman Shloka. So, now I welcome one of our friend, Ishani Tagore from 6th class to chant Hanuman Chalisa. So, let's welcome her.
फलिचारी बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या के देहु मोरे हरऊ कलेस विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तिन्ह लोक निजागर राम दूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी सुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजय कांधे मूज जनेऊ साज शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंद विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया कृष्ण रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जलावा भीम रूप धरि असुर सवारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत संभाई सहस बदन तुम्हारो जस गावे अस कई श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा जम कुबेर दिखपाल जहाँ के कभी कोई कहीं सके कहाँ तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना। तुमरो मंत्र भीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताई मधुर परिजानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेल मुख माही, जल लीलांग जय असरद नाही। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना। तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण